Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making today. To a nonstick skillet, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. I have 3 cups of leftover mashed potatoes from the night before, and to that I'm adding 1 beaten egg. I love to make just a little bit more mashed potatoes so that I can make this recipe. Now I'm adding an onion that I minced in my little mini food processor, and you want to give that a good mix. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. I use the Italian seasoned ones, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And now I'm mixing that together really well. It does take a little bit of muscle. I did heat up my mashed potatoes in the microwave just for a little bit to soften them up, but they were still cold. And I'm just working everything together. Now that my olive oil and butter is heating up, I take one of the ice cream scoop size scoops and I just put a dollop and fill up my pan. You do want to leave a little space in between because you'll mash them down. Bash them carefully because they will stick to your spatula if you're not careful. And you just want them into a patty is what you want. And you'll brown them on both sides for a few minutes until they're just kind of toasted up and nice brown. You want them heated through. Once they're done, I put mine on a baking rack with paper towel underneath on a cookie sheet. It just makes cleanup a lot easier, and it gives them room to drain and not get soggy. It keeps them kind of crisp on both sides. And now I'll get ready to do my second batch, and you may need to add just a little bit more butter and oil. And you just continue to do it until all your potatoes are cooked. And these are so good. I love them. I haven't been able to eat them because of I'm doing keto right now. But my family loved them, and they had them with a burger. But they're a really good way to use up those leftover mashed potatoes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.